Hello, you're welcome. Today I would like to show you this bag for evening. I used leather base, 3 skeins of yarn. I made a handle, 1 teasel, and I decorated with this magnetic catcher and linen. This is our bag. Let's make it. For today's bag, I'll use leather base, which is 20 centimeters here and 14, and my yarn is Ayazla Sesim, which is 225 millimeters, the 250 grams. It's polyester with metallic polyester together. And my hook for the beginning, I'll use 3.5, and then I'll change it to the 5. I'll begin my crocheting from here, and I yarn over and pull through from the hole. And insert your hook in the next hole, yarn over, pull through and pull through from the stitch, and we will making our chains. Don't crochet tight. And we will continue until we finish the row. I'll use needle here, and I grab here and to the hole, then from here and inside from the chain, and then again here. And we are ready. Then we'll make knot here, I'll use the needle to pass my yarn to the back side. Yeah, which one? And then I'll make knot here, and we'll continue. I'll take my hook, number 5 hook, one chain here, and 1 single crochet at the same stitch. Single crochet at the next, single crochet here, also single crochet, and we will make 2 single crochets at the corners. 1 and 2, and here also 1 and 2. So we made single crochets at the corners, and all of the other ones are just one single crochet in each stitch. We'll make here and here 2 single crochet each corner. I'm at the end of the first row, and I'll join my row with slip stitch and 1 chain, single crochet in the same stitch, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, and now at the corner I'll make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. We'll do that in each corner, and then we'll continue with single crochet in each stitch. Here we are. I'm at the end of my row, and I'll join it with this. I'll pull through my stitch from here, and then I will insert my hook here and pull through, and I have invisible join. And now 1 chain and single crochet at the back loop. This is where we can insert our hook, but we'll use only the back loops here, and make single crochet. Insert your hook at the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through together. We'll keep doing this until the end of the row. We will make no increases at all. If you are using different yarn, and if you see that it's necessary for you to increase here, you can do. And here. This is my turning stitch. You see? We are okay, so we don't need to increase here. We will join our third row with slip stitch, 1 chain, single crochet at the same. Now I'll insert my hook here. You see we have V here, and I insert my hook here, yarn over and pull through together, single crochet at the next. Now again we will insert our hook to the V here, and now single crochet again. Now the V, single crochet here, now we have the V, single crochet, now the V, this will be our texture. I have made the last single crochet of this row, and we are at the same stitch which I made the chain and single crochet in the same stitch. You see, here is the slip stitch and the chain, and here is the single crochet which I made. Now I won't join the row, and I continue with the long single crochet from the V. Now I'm inserting my hook from the V, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through again. Now I have the knot here, it looks like a knot, and I'll make single crochet there. Now I have the single crochet, and my hook is going to be in the V, and then this single crochet. Now here the regular single crochet, and then the V, the single crochet, and I'll make the knot there. You see, here as we begin the second row, and we have the knots here. Now single crochet, and we will continue our work by this. Until we end our bag. Our bag almost has finished. It's about 22 centimeters, and we will make last row with single crochet only, regular single crochet. And we will find our stitch from here. This is the place that we began the second row without joining, and we will go up from the knots here, and we will find our stitch where we are changing our row. Here it is, and we will make single crochet. And it will help us, we'll see it more tidy here than here. You see, we have a little bit difference from the two ends. Let's do the row and finish our work. I'll use this catcher for my handles. Now I'll pull through my tail, one single crochet, one single crochet, second one, and one more, and then I'm twisting my work, and I'll insert my hook here, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops, twist again, Here we have 2 loops. Pull through the first 2 and then the 2 others. Twist work. We have 2 loops here. Pull through, pull through. Here again, you see these 2 loops. We have here the 2 loops. Twist and insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. We have 2, yarn over, pull through. You see we have the 2 stitches here. Twist your work, insert your hook from the 2 loops and crochet. This will be our handle. You can make it 50 or 70 as long as you want. I have almost finished my bag. I have made the handle, and we will find the middle of our bag in each side, and then we will flop it here with 3 stitches, and then we will add this, and I made a tinsel also. And I made the other side after I have sewed my linen inside. That's all. Thank you for watching.